Hi friends, welcome back to my homeschooling. Do you find difficulty in learning tables? Okay, so what if we have only one trick to learn tables until 99? Only if you know tables from 1 to 9, that's more than enough. The rest all will be with only one trick. And today let's learn that trick very easily. So without any further delay, let's learn the trick. So for this, what we'll do is, we'll take example of 13 times table. That is 1, 3. For 13 times table, we should write the tables of 1 and 3. 1 ones are 1, 1 twos are 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 3 times table, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 7, 9, 3 fours are 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. Right? Until here you are clear. So 13 times 1 is 13. We'll write table as it is. Then 13 times 2 is 26. Until the digits are single, you can write in the same way. So 13 threes are 39. So concentrate here. The trick actually begins here. So for this, we'll add 4 plus 1. The first, this thing. 4 plus 1 is 5. Then the units place, whatever it is, the same thing we need to write, 52. Got it? So again you concentrate. So 5 plus 1 is 6. The digit whatever is next to the in the units place, you will write as it is, 65. So here again 78. Then again here 7 plus 2 is 9. The units digit, the same thing you'll write here. Now you concentrate again. So 8 plus 2 will get 2 digits, right? So what we should do is, same thing, as it is you write. 8 plus 2 is 10, as it is you write. Then the unit digit you write here, 4. So again here, 9 plus 2, 11. So again the units digit you'll write here. So 10 plus 3, 13, 0, 130. So this is the very simple way and very easy way. Until 99 table you can do the same thing. Anywhere in between. Suppose anybody asks you table for 15 nines, what you are going to do? Here you will write 1 time 9, 9, 5 times 9 is 45. Add these two. 9 plus 4 you will be adding, that is 13. And 5 you will write as it is. So this is a very simple way where you can do the maths. Anytime anybody asks you in between, suppose 14 times 3. So 3 times table you will write. 3 ones are 3, 4 threes are 12. Add these two digits. 4, 2, 42. Anywhere, anytime, very simple you can do this. So hope you like this trick, and this will be very helpful during your examination and other time. Whenever you need to do any calculation, it will be very easy. All the best and happy learning. Do subscribe to the channel for more such tricks and tips.